Welcome to the assembly instructions video of this walker manufactured by Rainbow Baby product. Take the walker body and open the walker by pulling it. The walker can be set at 3 adjustable levels. The walker can be adjusted at all positions using the lock present at the bottom. Take the cushion seat and fix it by inserting the buttons in the slots as shown in the video. Lock it from the sides as well. Take the wheels and insert them in the slots at the bottom of the walker to firmly fix them. Take the musical tray and use a screwdriver to open the cell. Now take the cute toy and push it gently in the slots to firmly fix it in its position. Finally, place the parental control handle and firmly fix it at the back of the walker. Now this walker is ready for your little rainbow.